Today's lesson is topic 5.3, breaking apart to multiply. The objective for today is that you will be able to break apart arrays to find partial products of a 2-digit number times a 1-digit number. The problem that we are looking at today says a parking lot has 4 rows with 23 spaces in each row. How many parking spaces are in the lot? How could you solve this problem? One way that we've worked on solving these types of problems is using arrays, but today we are going to use the breaking apart method. We've used breaking apart when we have added and subtracted numbers as well, but today we are going to focus on using breaking apart. So in your notes, I would like for you to write this down. Breaking apart. Go ahead and write in our example of 4 times 23. We separate our larger number, so 23, into each one of the place values, just like we would if we were writing our number in expanded form. So because I have a 2 in the tens place, I separate it out as a 20, and the 3 in the ones just as a 3. We refer to the answers I get when I do my multiplication as the partial products. When I break apart, I multiply whatever the original number is in the problem, the 4 in this problem, so 4 times 23. I multiply that 4 times both the 20 and the 3. So I end up with 2 separate multiplication problems. So 4 times 20, which just like we've been practicing, I multiply my 4 times my 2, which gives me the 8, and I bring back that 1 0 and put it on the end to get my answer of 80. Second part of this problem would give me 4 times 3. 4 times 3 gives me 12. With partial products, it's really important that we remember to then add our partial products together. So 80 plus 12 would give me an answer of 92. Therefore, 4 times 23 equals 92. In your notes, I would really like you to have this entire example problem. We're going to be looking through number 1 together in your guided practice problem. I would like for you to have both number 1 and number 2 in your notes. Looking at number 1, it says 4 times 36. So in this problem, I have to separate out my 36 into 30 and 6. They went ahead and gave you the multiplication problems of 4 times 30 and the multiplication problem of 4 times 6. In your notes, I'm going to ask for you to complete number 1 and number 2. I'm also going to do one more example with you right now. We're going to do this problem of 3 times 123. When I have a 3-digit number, I have to separate it out into each place value. Well, a 1 in the 100 place would give me 100, a 2 in the tens gives me 20, and a 3 in the ones would give me 3. In this problem, I would then end up with 3 multiplication problems. All 3 of the numbers that I separated out have to be multiplied times my original number that I was multiplying. So 3 times 100, 3 times 20, and 3 times 3. 3 times 100, well, 3 times 1 gives me 3, 2 zeros on the end. 3 times 2 gives me 6, 1 0 on the end. And 3 times 3, which is 9. Again, cannot forget that these are called partial products. Okay, my partial products always need to be added. So adding our partial products. So 300 plus 60 plus 9, well, I can remember that when I'm doing an expanded algorithm problem or expanded form, I have 3 separate place values. Well, I see that again here. So my final answer when I add those together gave me 369. Use this as your example when you're solving number 1 and number 2 in your notes.